like a Hellcat.
What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis. I'm back again with another reaction video. So today once again we are gonna react to a Khasi song straight out of Meghalaya called RUKOM. So I do not know the meaning of RUKOM, but if you know, please let me know too. And we have this artist called Genevieve Nongrum, I hope I said it correct, and we got Shadap, and we also have the English subtitle. That's amazing. And like I always say, language should not be a barrier for you to enjoy the music. You know, you should vibe into it, and if you have the subtitle, you're gonna vibe into it more. So I'm very glad that they have put out this English subtitle. So without further ado, let's just dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what this music video has for us on the table. And yeah, before we totally get into the video, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing constantly. It truly means a lot. So let's just jump straight into the video. I have not watched the music video yet. This will be my first reaction and I'm very much excited, like for real, man. Let's do it. Kiki Garot Studio, George Shadap original. Oh, the music, the scenery, oh man, crazy. Guys, please let me know, where is this place, man? This water, this river, oh my goodness, it's a paradise on earth. You know, I have reacted to a lot of, you know, music videos from Meghalaya, and the scenery is OP, man, like for real, man. And the sceneries in the whole northeast is amazing. Like other states also have, you know, beautiful, you know, mesmerizing view, mountains and rivers and all these other stuffs, man. Northeast is the real paradise for real. RUKOM. Oh, beautiful. Wow. Oh, bye. Isn't this amazing? See these guys, man. Oh, I don't know, man. It's so pleasing to the eyes. Oh, photo shoot. Vibes. Be as you are, be happy in your own way. Hey, for real, man. You gotta be you gotta be you don't need to become like someone else. You know, you gotta be happy in your own way, like for real, man. Oh, nice shots. Oh, beautiful voice. Nothing is impossible, and grace is showered from above. It seems. Hey, man, I'm loving it, like for real. Oh, He's painting Mother Teresa. Oh man, huge respect to the saint Mother Teresa. She has done a lot of work for India, especially in Kolkata, for the lepers, for the poor children, for the orphans. Mother Teresa was a living saint, huge respect and salute to the MC sisters. Yes, there is a hope. And also they are saying like be happy in your own way, right? That doesn't mean like you should go and do some like drug stuff and all. You are happy when you take drugs if you are addicted to it. No, they are not saying in that way. Okay, what they are saying is in a positive way. You should be happy in your own way, not in the negative sense. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say. I don't know. Man, that's the point of this song. Oh, nice music. So soothing to the ear. I love bonfires, one of the best way to enjoy with friends, or like especially the 31st night and the Christmas night and all. Without bonfire, it's like it's not complete. The party is not complete without bonfire, man. Like for real, man. I really love bonfire. Oh. Hey, that was amazing. That was dope. The vibes in it, man. Like, I don't know, man, what to say, but this was indeed, I enjoyed it a lot. This was amazing, like the scenery, the cinematography, the voice of, Genevieve, Nongrum. You did it a great job. And George Shadap. I think George Shadap is the one who made this beat, the music, right? Like some kind of DJ type of beat. It was amazing. And everything was so cool and so dope, man. Keep coming more. Shout out to each and every one of you who have worked in this, project, making it a successful one. And I'm, looking forward to more of your music. I'll check out your stuffs. Keep coming more, and keep inspiring more people. Keep entertaining. Keep bringing more positive music like this. You guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. And a special shout out to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. God bless you, man. Hey, Northeast for life. Here we go.